Fanatic. I'm going to do a test for you guys. I got a bunch of comments and emails asking me about my wheel cleaner, if it can be used in a foam cannon with the power washer. I've never done this before, so I thoroughly cleaned out my professional MTM foam cannon here. I flushed out the lines, everything. I'm going to pour in there right now. Okay. And we're going to be using the Kranzler 1322, which is electric power washer, much lower PSI than the gas power washer that I was using for months on my channel. So we're going to see what this stuff is going to do. I mean, I honestly think it might be overkill to shoot out the product at such a high PSI, to be honest with you. It may just blast all over the place, probably get in your eyes or whatnot, but I'm not recommending it. But the amount of questions and requests asking, will it work? I don't know, so we're going to find out right now. I'm sure it's going to work, it's going to foam, but is it going to be as effective as slowly foaming it with the professional hand pump foamer, where it gives it the longer dwell time so it can eat up the brake dust? I'm going to get the camera closer, and before we'll shake this up on camera. Okay, let's put that to the side, and I'm going to show you. These are the Mercedes-Benz S-Class wheels again. Okay, you guys can see the brake dust on there. So this wheel was cleaned by me last week, and it's been run through the automatic car wash ever since. I'm actually going to move the camera further back just because I don't want the audio and the speaker and everything to get saturated, because I don't have the weatherproof case on it. So let me just move it back to about here. It's about a good 8 feet away. And we're going to get this started for you guys. Okay, got the Kranzler powered on. Alright, we got it connected, guys. Let's see what this is going to do. This is either going to work or it's going to be a total fail. So let's see where we're at. Alright, here we go. So guys, as you can see, it foams, but it's too wet of a foam, and I just don't suggest it. It's just not intended to be applied like that. So we're going to give it a couple of minutes, and then we're going to power wash it off and see if it actually did anything. But you guys could see the brake dust. It knocked some brake dust off, you could see, but it's just too watery, too watered down, and that's not really how it was designed. But the wheel is actually looking pretty bright. It definitely brightened it up, that quick blast that I gave it. So, and like I said, that was a little less than 1.5 ounces for the 32-ounce container. I didn't go crazy, but that's going to be the issue. There's so much volume and so many gallons per minute that it's just going to create a very, very wet solution, and you're going to probably blast through a lot of product real quickly. So I'm going to leave that sit in real time. We're just going to do this quick, guys. All right, here we go. So here we go. So that's it, guys. That's the Auto Fanatic wheel cleaner using a power washer in an MTM foam cannon. I think it did a pretty good job. It didn't do good inside where the wheel lug barrels are. That's because it's just so watered down. That's going to take some compounding and polishing and everything in between. So for all you guys that have been asking, yes, you can use it in a foam cannon, but I still suggest and recommend you use it as designed in a professional foam applicator. More videos to come. Stay tuned, guys. Autofanatic at yahoo.com. See you soon.